Hello student, how are you? Once again, I am Sudhanshu Sharma and we learn about HTML. Okay, so let's start about HTML. So first of all, we understand about what is HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It's a language or code through which we can develop our web page. Okay, you see a number of different websites. Okay, so we think sometime a query comes in our mind how the web page develop. Actually, we have a, a text notepad where we write our code. Okay, and we take the output of the code on browser. What is browser? Browser is a window where we see the output of the HTML. Okay, so what HTML is a hypertext markup language, is the fundamental language of the web. It forms the structure and content of web page. It is used to create and define elements on a web page, including headings, paragraph, image, link. Right? Let's understand about the structure of HTML. Right? HTML documents are structured hierarchically, starting with the HTML tag and ending with the slash HTML tag, as you may see in the picture. The document is then divided into head and body section, each with specific role. Okay, head contains meta data about the page, like the title, links to style sheet and script, and body contains the visible content of the web page, including text, image, video, and other element. So this is the structure of our HTML. There are some HTML elements and attributes. First is heading elements. Here we can see H1, H2, H3 and go with H6. Okay, tags to create heading of different size. Okay, suppose you want to write a sentence, so you may start from H1 and end with slash H1. And if you want to use some small font heading, lower font heading, so you may use H3 or H6. Okay, suppose I write font size is a little bit smaller in comparison of H1, so I'll use H6 and then write the sentence and close with slash H6. So through this we can write different headings and different font. And next is paragraph. Suppose you want to write a paragraph in HTML code, so we use p tag is used for create paragraph. Okay, and image element tag use when we want to insert image on web page and specify either source and all text. And last one is link element. Link e tag used to create link to other web page or resource, defining the href attribute with the target URL. So these are some basic tags regarding attributes elements. Okay, let's take an example how to develop HTML code in a text code and a text window. So first of all, we go on our desktop and start take a notepad file and a new file name is new. Okay, so it's a new file, new test. Okay, new test HTML, right? So it's a file, we create the file on text. So it's a text file. Here we write our HTML code. So let's start. First HTML, right? HTML, and then then head. Okay, so first tag is HTML and then head. Here we write welcome to the world of HTML. Okay, so and slash close with slash HTML and title. We can insert here slash head also, slash head also here, right? And title, right? We write a title. It is my new page, and we close the title tag with a slash title tag. Okay, after that I'll write body tag. From on this point body creates. Okay, so this is the body tag, and suppose that I want to need to give some color, background color on the web page, so I use bg color and inverted commas. Within inverted commas I write a text. I take a yellow color, yellow background color, right? So the whole page comes in a yellow color. Okay, then I use h1 tag as I describe regarding the h1 tag. It is concerned with heading. So here we write a heading. This tag is used for heading. Okay, so through this way we can use our heading tag and close with as usual slash h1. Main thing is that we start from h1 and close with slash h1. Okay, and save the file as a new test.html, right? So I save the file as use yes. Okay, so it's my text. Now I can see the file. Where is my file? It's my HTML document, and file open, and this one is my save as with all files. And now I write my file is new dot html. Okay, now I can see my file on desktop. So here's my file new Hana. Now okay, and this is my tag web page, output of the web page. You may see the path of the web page is c/users. Okay, and page is yellow background because I write bg color is equal to yellow, and again I change the color is silver. So I opt this time is silver color, and then refresh through this button. Refresh, you may see the color is changed yellow to silver. Okay, through this way I can set my background color, and after that I'll use h2 tag. h2 tag is another heading. I want to write another heading. Okay, so this is my second heading, and close the second heading with /h2 tag. Okay, So it's my second heading, and I can see the output through refresh button. So you may see that it's my second heading. Okay, the font is a little bit smaller in comparison of H1, and I can see the output through refresh button. Okay, and then H3, so another third one heading, and this is my third heading, and close with slash h3 tag, right? And save the file and refresh my browser window, and I can see the my third heading. So we can switch through alt tab. Basically this window is concerned with a background window, and that one browser is called front end window. Is a another tag is called marquee tag. Okay, welcome to the world of HTML. Okay, and slash marquee. Okay, so if you want to move a text in a horizontal line, so in that case we use marquee, and again refresh. Now we can see the magic. You may see welcome to the world of HTML. The text move from one side to another side, right to left. So if you want to rotate or move that in the word or sentence from one place to another place, in case you may use marquee tab, right? And now I use image src means source. Here I want to insert an image on my web page, so I'll use image src tag. I opt this image, so I'll right click on it and go on properties. These are property of the image, and you may see the location C:user ss desktop is the path of this GIF image. I opt the GIF image. Okay, and paste the source path of the concerned image, and then slash, and then again go on property window and take the file name is new, and extension is .gif. So copy the file name and paste it, right? Okay, and then .gif, because the file is concerned with GIF, that's why I use the extension is .gif. Now I refresh the web page and see the magic again. What will happen? You may see that what happened. Okay, there is some glitch in it. Okay, I know. Now we can see the web page. See the image, the GIF image insert in it. So our web page is something extraordinary. Through this way, you can insert image on this web page. Okay, so through these tags we can understand how we use the tags according to our needs. Basically different tags use different requirements. Okay, so this is our GIF. Okay, and next one is body slash body. Here I close the body. Okay, and then slash HTML, close the HTML file, save it and refresh it. So refresh again. Okay, through this, so it's an example. Through this way we can develop a HTML page. You may create a web page through text notepad. You may write tag on this notepad and take the output on our front end browser. Okay, and this one again last uh, h1. I want to write thanks, so use h1 tag thanks for or watching the video. Okay, and close with slash h1 tag